Essentially, he died that day in the police station as he never regained consciousness and remained on life support from the moment he arrived at the hospital. Given the circumstances surrounding his death, the case was turned over to the North Carolina State Bureau of Investigation to determine whether criminal charges should be pursued. Investigators examined the possibility of involuntary manslaughter charges against the officers involved. Under North Carolina law, prosecutors needed to prove that the officers knew or should have known that Harold Easter had ingested a dangerous amount of crack cocaine. The officers also had a legal duty to obtain medical care for him, so if they failed in that duty through criminal negligence, then that would also play a role in obtaining this involuntary manslaughter charge. And finally, prosecutors had to prove that the officer's inaction directly caused his death. The case ultimately collapsed on that final point. 3 independent medical experts, including the state medical examiner, agreed they could not say with medical certainty that Harold would have survived even if the officers had called for help immediately. Therefore, no criminal charges were brought forward. Accountability instead came through CMPD's internal investigation. After determining that multiple departmental policies had been violated in the handling of the case, Sergeant Nicholas Vincent and officers Brentley Vinson, Michael Benfield, Michael Joseph, and Sean Sheffield were all recommended for termination. However, each officer resigned before the terminations could officially appear on their records. In